Welcome to Windward Island Lane, an extraordinary waterfront retreat. Nestled within the prestigious, gated community of islands of Jupiter. This Ruttenburg-built masterpiece offers 4,648 square feet of refined luxury, 4 bedrooms, 5 ensuite baths, and direct ocean access, all with breathtaking views of the Loxahatchee River. Step inside and discover marble floors, detailed ceilings, a paneled wood office, open concept kitchen, and 2 master suites, both boasting sweeping river views. An upstairs VIP suite with wet bar, sitting area, and private balcony makes entertaining effortless. Outside, 100 feet of waterfront, a private dock for 2 to 3 boats, screened pool and spa, cabana bath, and outdoor kitchen await. Reach the Atlantic Ocean in just minutes with no fixed bridges. World-class deep-sea fishing is practically in your backyard. But this isn't just a home, it's a lifestyle. Jupiter, Florida is renowned as one of the world's great golf destinations, home to many of the world's top professional golfers. With world-class courses scattered throughout Jupiter and the Palm Beaches, it's easy to see why the pros choose to call this place home. The Jupiter Inlet connects you directly to the Atlantic Ocean for deep-sea fishing, sailing, and island hopping. Beautiful beaches are just minutes away. Fine dining, boutique shopping, and waterfront restaurants are all within easy reach, some accessible by boat right from your dock. When it's time to travel, you're ideally positioned. Palm Beach International Airport is just 25 minutes away, and Witham Field in Stewart, which accommodates private jets, is equally convenient. This is more than a home, it's your lifestyle. Contact Matt Walsh with Illustrated Properties at 561-886-8456 to schedule your private showing.